Hi guys, this is Randy from A Fresh Squeeze Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable wreath. It's a fun and easy project, and you can customize it with your choice of flower color as well as the ribbon of your choice. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crafty and DIY goodness. Let's get to making. The first thing we're going to do is to gather our supplies. You're going to need a white twisted wreath, flocked lamb's ears, a lavender spray, wire cutters, a glue gun, and the ribbon of your choice. I decided to go with buffalo check. Our first step is to take our wire cutters and we're going to cut our flowers off of our stems. And I'm going to highly suggest that you cut longer rather than shorter because once you go short, there's no going back. So keep a little bit of extra length on those stems so you can go back and cut it shorter if you need to. This is going to take some time, but when you do this all at one time, it makes the project so much quicker and easier. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all of our cut pieces, our flowers and our leaves, and we're going to fit them onto the wreath as you like it. This is going to take some time, but you just basically tuck it inside this wreath. And this is one thing that I really loved about this wreath is it's so easy just to put the items in and then leave them there. And then while they're in the wreath, you're simply going to tack them down with your glue. So basically that's your step. And I do want to mention that you need to take your time on this because if you just stick everything in and you don't like how it looks and it's very haphazard, you can go back and change everything over and over again until you love what you see. But I'm also going to say, please don't try to make it perfect and totally symmetrical because wreaths aren't like that. The last step is making your bow, and this is where I really love wired ribbon. All you need to do is fold it in a way that you like, and you can add as many puffs as you like. A lot of people like a more elaborate bow. I tend to like very simple. And then just simply take a piece of floral wire and wrap it around the middle and keep it in place and just kind of puff it up the way you like it. And after that, all you need to do is glue gun it to your wreath and you are done. Thanks for joining me today to make this fun wreath, friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and join me next time for more DIY crafty goodness. Have a great day, guys.